my outfit honestly, because I got over my jeans and just put like it's like a jegging kind of shorts, so it's pretty comfortable. So yeah, um so now we're going to go to the shelves where there's some bars that you can actually say that's what is written, which sell alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. So obviously I'm going to go for the non-alcoholic ones, and so is people around me going to go for, hopefully, I don't know. Will not comment on their choices, but here we are. My face is like that. I just put a lip balm which has tint, the lip below one which has tint, the cherry shine. Try it out, it's nice, it's nice, I like it. Anyway, after all this unpaid sponsorship, let's go to the shafts. The fact that my meeting went a little longer and now sun has set, I could not go anywhere. Nowhere. Like, I couldn't go to the beach, nor I could go to the pool. So what we planned basically is tomorrow. Oh hi. Anyway, tomorrow we will get up early, have the breakfast of the buffet. That's what my mom says. Anyway, and then maybe go to the pool and then go have lunch and then check out. Maybe that's gonna be your plan most of the time. So till then, see ya! This is the tennis area and our bar is somewhere behind the parking area, so we need to go. Okay, let's just see this. I want to see if I've not gone to the wrong directions. Aqua pool, entertainment zone, Wakiki. Okay, Wakiki pool is where our room is. I need to see what is in the entertainment zone, but again, I think it's the same near the slides and shit. Okay, so let's just go here and enjoy my day. Chalo. So anyway, so what has happened is that we went to the sports bar behind, and a thing happened that there's no non-alcoholic drinks there. There's only soft drinks which are non-alcoholic. So it's like, chuck it. So instead we go to a better place which has better non-alcoholic drinks. So we're going near the beach shaft. See you guys later. Bye. Okay, so apparently this is the only bar which gives me non-alcoholic drink, and the only non-alcoholic drink they have, which is like you know, not a cold drink or a tea, coffee, etc., is a mocktail, which is this Cinderella. My mom is looking at me very suspiciously, but I'm saying it's Cinderella. This drink is ice with pineapple, apple and orange. So I honestly don't like pineapple juice, just as a person, no offense and all that, everything, but that's my thing. There's going to be like a mini disco at 8:30, and I thought, like, so there's this thing here that if you can go and have your meal only once. They take a note of their they take a note of your like room number, and maximum per room is 3 people, right? So they take a room, so if it's, so they have a count that way. So this is that, and so that's why we didn't go there. We went to discover the drinks first, and unfortunately it was the only one which is non-alcoholic we have. The fact that I just recovered from cold and now I'm drinking an ice drink, my mom is going to kill me behind the camera. But anyway. Very excited for the mini disco. Now the only problem is I have to sleep early, because then I can get up early at around 8 o'clock. 9:30. I don't have the courage to make a commitment of 8 o'clock, but let me try. Maybe 9:30, have breakfast, something like that, and then go and enjoy the beach and the swimming pool and the slide. See, she says the slide and everything. So yeah, so that's what we do. Hi. So this is all for the view. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So pretty. And it's thanda. Yeah, we'll just remove the slippers and put it here. No, wait a minute. We'll put it here. So we know. And for the record, it's in my vlog. Okay, so she'll sit here. I hope I don't get pricked into something. Ooh, it's so thanda. It's so cold. Ow. There's no lifeguard here. So I think it's all to my risk. I don't know if every of you have seen the Alia Bhatt movie of there's high tides going on. That's just ow! Can the tide just touch my feet for once? Even the water hits me. What the hell? Oh, tides are coming. So right now there are high tides going on here. So it's better that I go back, because my mom loves my safety. So, and I love her, so keeping up with that. Oh god. Mama, there are high tides going on. High tides are going on. See, you know, the beach. See? Now the tides are no.
Sit there and I know do meditation and sleep there only like that.
Yeah?
Really.
We'll do tomorrow
आसमान के
morning.
नीचे वो like सोने का मजा अलग है.
Chal, sote, aaja. We have still 2 more hours for the mini disco. So come. Come. Mommy. Huh? Oh, this is the cutlery here. Okay, thank you. Sorry. Okay. I had an issue with the cutlery, but anyway. So this is my food. And honest reviews. Since they have a valid reason, but anyway. So since apparently it's the national day, they have kept more of Arabic cuisine food, but people like me who are Indian and who eat more of the Western, like Indian and Western kind of food, I like hummus and kabus, except that honestly, like there's more hummus and kabus and there's mac and cheese. That's the only 2 things, and there's some hara aloo, something like that. I don't like anything else. I mean it's not what I eat, but anyway. So they had a pretty valid reason that since it's the national day, they're trying to keep Arabic food. Understood. Pretty fair enough actually. So, yep. They have the kebab corner there. And it looks so delicious, I'm not even gonna lie. But the fact that you have to pay extra 20 each, and this is in fact an offer apparently. We thought that we'll order from something of the a la carte menu, but it's too expensive. I feel like something like a 5-star hotel. You know what's the irony? A burger, okay. A burger is like 45, but then a thali, a veg thali is 35. And the fact that obviously a burger will have less quantity than a thali, but the prices, I don't know. So that way, I've just picked up a lot of dessert at this point and mac and cheese. That's it. So hummus kabus is pretty good. Honest review on the mac and cheese. It's baked mac and cheese, so yeah. They specified baked very nicely, so let's keep that while we are specifying it here as well. The first time I tried mac and cheese, I was not a fan of mac and cheese, and then I tried it at one of my one of this official parties, which my mom or something, I don't know. I had been to an official party. I don't recall whether it's my mom's or my dad's official party that we had been to. There it was really good. Then I fell in love with mac and cheese. I don't know, that mac and cheese is a little spicy. This is very bland, and it's not that cheesy. I don't know. Is the reason baked? I bake also, but I don't know why it's come out like that. But anyway, so yeah, that's that. Reviews on the aloo potato. Okay, potato one is fine. It's a spicy, but it's okay. It's better than many of the dishes out there. One dish I didn't even know the meaning. Thankfully, my dad asked the chef what's the meaning, and I was like, no, I can't eat that. End of story. Anyway, see you after my food. I feel like mini discourse started for some reason. I've checked the time, so see you guys later. Till then, bye bye. Okay, after struggling a lot with the food, we finally got drink. No, not that drink. Apple juice. Because there's either pineapple, orange, and apple, and I don't like both of them, so the fact that people can actually mistake this color and the drink of something else. My mom also had a suspicion, but then when she tasted it, she understood it's apple drink, and the waiter also told it's apple drink, so I'm on the safe zone, you see. So right now, after having not so great food, actually a food that's not of our choice, like it's not what we usually have, and plus what we tasted also was not up to the mark. My mom also said it's bad. It's not bad, but it's not that great either. So we decided we'll go and get the kebabs for 20 dirhams. I'll just try that out. If that's good, then I'm going to fill my stomach with kebabs. Already in the afternoon, I had like 2 kebabs. So okay, it's a joke. I took 4 different cake, the square cake pastries, yeah, the mini ones, and all look different. Not distinctively different, but different. But they all taste the same. They taste the same.
What happens?
It's just it's very bland. I don't know. It's I don't know. It's just you've given order for kebabs. Okay. See you guys later, and we'll get back with the review of how the kebabs were. Bye. So kebabs done. Okay, kebabs are better than the food at least. Okay, bearable. I got little burnt. So
Tomato is there, mint is there. Mint.
okay, so my brother has
Cash or card? Cash. Thank you, madam.
so he has ordered lamb kebabs. I don't know how that's going to taste. I don't eat mutton or lamb or whatever you can say. So he eats, so I hope. But he really liked the kebabs, so I think that was apt for his taste, not for my taste palates. I'm just waiting when it will turn 8:30, 8:35. Me and my mom will go to the mini disco. We're excited about that. So yeah, that's it. See you with a new update after some time. I'm the fact that I've just filled my stomach with apple drinks at this point is hilarious. But anyway, bye.